Hello, in this video we are going to discuss the Leetcode problem number 2341, maximum number of pairs in array. They will give you an array, right? They will give you an array. What is the size of array? Sorry, 0 to 100. They will give you an array of size 0 to 100. Minimum limit is 0, maximum limit is 100, right? What you need to return? You need to return an array which have the size of 2, right? Have the size of 2 which have only integers of the first element will contain how many pairs are present in the given array, right? If they will give you an array, right? 1, 3, then 7, then 1, then 3. For example, if they will give you this type of array, right? 5 elements 1, 3, 7, 1, 3. You need to return an array which contains how many pairs are present, like 1, 1 is present one time, right? 1 pair, another 3, 1 pair. You need to return 2, right? 2 pairs are there. Then how many unique elements are present, right? Without pairs, right? You need to return the count. So here is 1. You need to return. Let's look to the logic, right? Whenever you see this kind of problem like pairs, maximum repeated element, minimum repeated element, this kind of counting the elements in the array, just use frequency, right? Frequency, you can use frequency, frequency array, frequency map, you can use anything, but frequency, calculating the frequency of elements is one of the easiest way to solve the problem. So they will give you this array, right? I create another array for the frequency, right? I create another array for the frequency which will store, for example, if first element is what? 1 is present one time, right? The second element is 3 is present one time, right? Same way 7 is present one time, right? Then again it find another one. We will traverse this array, right? If it find another one, it just frequency is incremented to 2. The same way 3 is there, so the frequency is incremented 2, right? This is what our frequency array will contain. Then I need to identify the total pairs, right? For the first element of our return array, pairs. For the pairs purpose, what I need to do? I just traverse my frequency array, the created frequency array, right? Pairs. I just declare an variable pair that is equal to 0. I just, how many pairs of 1 is present? How to find? I just divide the frequency value by 2. If 1 is present 10 times, what is the total frequency, total pairs of 1 here, which is get by divided by 2, that is 5. So I just divided by 2, divided by 2. So I will get 2 pairs, right? If 10 times 1 present, I divided by 2, it will give 5, right? 5 pairs are there. The same way, how many 3's are there? 2 3's. I divided by 2, it will give me 1 pair, right? This is also give me 1 pair. So totally 2 pairs are present. I just return this 2. For the next element of the return array, what we need to do? The unique element. Unique element is, if we have 5 elements, right? Totally 5 elements, length of the given array. How to find the unique element? We need to subtract the total pairs, right? What is the total pairs? 2 pairs here, right? One pair of 1, another pair of 3, 2 pairs. Into what? Every pair contains 2 elements, right? 2 elements, right? So if we subtract this value, we will find the count of unique element. Let's move to the coding part. I just create the frequency array first. Frequency array, right? Frequency new int. What is the size of the maximum size is 0 to 100, both values are including, so I just go for 101, right? I just creating an frequency array. After that, I need to add the elements into our frequency array from nums array, right? So I go for a loop, nums frequency of what? Num is equal to, just we need to increment. If we found this one, I put 1 in our frequency array. I found another one, I just increment the frequency of 1. Here that is what I am doing here. After that, I need to calculate the pairs count, right? Pairs count, it is local variable, so we need to initialize. Then I traverse the what? Frequency array. 0, I greater than, we can directly put the value 101. The 101 is just for the highest range. Here they provide, right? 0 to 100, so I put 101. Then I just add all the pairs plus how to frequency of I divided by 2. Just get this 2 value and divided by 2. It will give you 1 pair. At the same way, I just get this one also. So I add everything. I add everything, right? Now I get my pairs count, right? Return new int. This is for return purpose. We need to return an array, so I just declare a new array. No need to confuse. Sorry. What I need to return? Pairs count. Then what is it? The unique element. How do we calculate the unique element? Total number of elements, num start length, which will give you the total length, right? Total length minus how many pairs? Every pairs contain 2 elements. So I just multiply with the 2. into pairs count. Yeah, that's all. That's running successfully. Yeah, it's 0 milliseconds. So if you have any doubt, you can contact me at Instagram. Thank you.